My name is Andy Nguyen. I'm a Diamond Master. First, congrats to all the other Diamond Masters here. Hope. It's what drives us, lifts us, and transforms lives. This is what Atomy provides. My wife, Ame, joined Atomy in hope of a health condition remedy. She found that. She also met great people, helped them, and that sparked her entrepreneurial spirit. She then introduced me to Atomy, and together we go stronger as a team. I would like to thank our sponsors, our team members from around the world, and the Atomy staff for all their support for us to achieve Diamond Master. Atomy has opened doors we didn't think was possible. Although my wife couldn't attend today, one of her dreams was to be a stage speaker, and that inspires me. So I stand here in front of 500 people, speaking to each and every one of you. This is something I didn't think was possible. But if I can, so can you. In today's challenging world, Atomy inspires hope.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dina McKnight, and I am a Diamond Master. I've been a housewife for 19 and a half years. I never worked, no income at all. So every time that my husband will fill up the T4, my income is zero. But now I'm proud to say that my T4 has few thousands already. So I have now my income. I joined Atomy last week of October, and I became sales master the following month. And then I became Diamond Master in the following month. I don't know how my sponsor did it to me, but she just said, "Ati, do you want to run?" I said, "What's the run?" I said, "Because I just attended the A to Z to our sponsor's house, and then when I went home, I said, it's not like I can't sleep, but I think about it. I think the business is doable and very easy." My sponsor introduced me Hemohim. I have my issues in my health. I cannot sleep. I have severe insomnia. I have sciatic nerve. I have like tingling sensation in my feet, and I have cramps on my legs. Can you imagine that one? Because I experience menopause right now. Sorry to say. But that's the truth. And then when she introduced me the Hemohim, it addressed everything. So can you imagine addressing all the concerns in your health? Is that amazing? Yes. My husband make an appointment already a week after to meet my family doctor so that she can give me a sleeping pills. But thank God, my sponsor came a week before my appointment, and now no more sleeping pills. And I sleep better, my health become great, and at the same time, the bonus is the business. My face is all over melasma. Can you imagine that one? I'm so depressed looking at the mirror, and then I said, this is not my face. I never had pimples, and I never experienced melasma. But after giving birth to my son, it will just appear. And I said, oh my gosh. But our absolute care, it addresses everything. Do I look old now? Yes, that's right. So sharing the business, it's very easy. Why? Because I consume the products. I do not say anything. In 3 days, when my sister video called me, she asked me, "What did you put in your face?" I said, "Why? You look great." And there's like sparkling and radiant. And I said, "Oh, so I will go to my washroom and right away show the absolute." And she said, "I want that one." So when my daughter video called me, and again, the same. They're asking what I'm using on my face. And there you go. There's the business there. You don't need to sell anything. If you're a user, you use it, and then everything everything, they will see the transformation in you. So the business, it's really good. I'm so thankful to Atomy for giving me this opportunity and having a business from being a housewife to become Atomy franchise, what do you call this one, right? To own a business. I thought that I will retire as a housewife, but now I can say I can retire to become Imperial Master. I want to show to everyone that it is doable. Just stay in the business, just stay in the system, focus in the system, be coachable, and listen to your sponsors, and you do your hard work, and everything is possible. Aja, see you to the top.
My name is Delmira Consul, and it's an honor to stand here before all of you as a Diamond Master. When I first discovered Atomy, I wasn't looking to start another MLM business. I had done others before, and I didn't see much success. But then Atomy came, and the compensation plan made sense to me, and it reignited dreams that I had put aside. As a mom of 6 kids, I want to build something lasting for my family. So I just started using the products, and I started to love them. And I realized, hey, I can help others, and I can generate residual income. So this journey has taught me a lot. It especially made me realize what the true meaning of the Atomy's motto: cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, and serve in humility. You can't do Atomy on your own. You have to help others succeed. And when you do that, that's when you see your success. We can look to the sky, but keep our feet to the ground. And true leadership is serving in humility. So please, don't wait for the perfect time to start this business. Start now, trust the system, and grow your business. Thank you, everyone.